How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our MultiColor K-Force Micro 14 linear. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your cables here, and then you'll have your connector. And this is to be used with our optional SIG plug, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. Now when using our optional SIG plug, you do have two power modes here. So if you flip your power switch up, you'll be in power mode 1, and if you flip it down, you'll be in power mode 2. So this allows you to program up to 2 flash pattern memories. And then you also have your flash pattern toggle switch here to change patterns. Now let's go over those features. So for example here, I brought an amber clear multicolor unit, and I am using my optional SIG plug. So you'll see that I have my power mode 1, and then I can flip down to my power mode 2. And you'll see that I can program an individual flash pattern for each of those modes. And then I have my flash pattern toggle switch here to change flash patterns. And then each of those modes have their own memory recall, so I can easily swap between power mode 2 or back to power mode 1. And then if I put my power switch in the middle, you'll see my light bar will go off. And then in the cable harness here, you also have cables for your power mode 1 and power mode 2 if you would like to hardwire. And we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. So let's go over a few of those. So for example here, I brought a green clear multicolor, I brought a red blue, and our red blue amber tricolor configuration. But again, we offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. Or we even have our Customize a Light Bar tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle. And then you'll notice all of my light bars are on different flash patterns, but all of these light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, as well with the dual memory recall. Now a really cool feature on our multicolor bars is you can run your bars in multicolor, your primary color, or your secondary color individually by using the built-in flash patterns. So for example here, I have my power mode 1 set to a multicolor flash pattern, and again this is my red, blue, amber tricolor configuration. And then on power mode 2, I have my primary color, which is my red, blue flash pattern programmed. So you'll see that I can easily switch that to my secondary color if I would like to. So you'll see I'll cycle to my amber color configuration. And then you'll see that I can easily cycle back to my power mode 1 where it saves multicolor, and then go to my power mode 2 where I'm running my secondary color. So you'll see you have plenty of functionality with our multicolor bars being able to run in multicolor, your primary color, or your secondary color individually. When it comes to the housing of your light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice on the bottom of your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even additional moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included magnetic feet here, which you can slide along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then if you need to permanently mount your light bar, we do offer our permanent stud mount bracket and our headache rack bracket, which you'll mount using the existing hardware from your magnetic feet. So that covers our MultiColor K-Force Micro 14 linear. Make sure to watch our flash pattern videos and also check out our interactive players right underneath the main product pictures. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.